Good morning, children, and welcome to our English class. Children, here I am going to show you the pictures of some games. Kindly tell me which games they are. Yes, cricket, football, this is hockey, volleyball, and this is tennis. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a boy is shooting with an arrow. So students, today's story is based on the skill of archery. And the name of the lesson is Nasruddin's Aim. Let's enjoy the story. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. The arrow did not hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. But it certainly did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow." "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was Chief Guard's aim." Now somebody remarked, "Well, now who's next on the list?" Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow. And this time, Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Children, I hope you enjoyed this story. Now we shall see some new words and their meanings. Chatting means to talk in a friendly way. Archery means shooting with a bow and arrow. Amazement means greatly surprised. Defending means protecting from attack. Target, the goal intended to be hit. Triumphantly means happy and proud. Students, kindly read the lesson and learn the difficult words. Thank you and have a nice day.